What's in the box? What's in the fucking box?
With any lathe, I'm sure you know that it's very important to get them level. It's especially important when you have a long, thin lathe like my newest acquisition. So I asked my good friend if he had a precision level because I've just never had one. So my friend said, yeah, I have one, and you can borrow it, but it's broken. And I said, well, I'll buy the vial, and if you trust me with it, I'll fix it. So I want to give a big thanks to my friend that many of you will probably know as John Strange. I'd like to thank him for trusting me enough. You know, it's one thing to loan somebody a tool. It's another thing to loan somebody a tool who's 1,000 miles away. It's another thing to loan somebody a precision tool. It's even another thing to loan somebody a precision tool that you trust them enough to fix 1,000 miles away. So John, I really do appreciate it, and I do also want to say that John was a lot of help in searching for a lathe over the last year. So part of the reason I have this is because of him. So John, thank you very much. I appreciate it. I have already ordered the vial from Starrett. I hope that it's not back ordered. I have a suspicion that it is because I haven't heard from him yet. But we will find a vial regardless, and I will get this fixed to the best of my ability. Try not to damage it, and we're going to use this to level the Atlas. This is a Starrett 98-6 level. It's about 8 inches long, and as you can see, the bubble is definitely broken. All the good fluid has leaked out. It's in very nice condition, and I am very appreciative of him for letting me fix and use it. And it comes in a really cool box. Looks like somebody handmade this box. I don't know if he did it or what, but maybe he will chime in the comments and let us know. For now, I'm gonna keep this in here until the vial comes, and then that will be a nice project for the channel.